Dear Diary. Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. This and the coming videos are going to represent our first US trip, leading us towards the east coast of the country. We are going to visit some cities there, and I decided to make a video vlog as some kind of video diary for us to remember the trip. So we are going to have a lot of impressions and some video vlogs along the way, just to make us remember each and every city that we are going to visit. This first video is going to be our first 3 days, which means heading from Leipzig over to Düsseldorf, where our plane lifts off towards New York, and we're going to have the first 2 days in Manhattan. So if you like, follow along and explore the cities with us. Hi everyone, we are still in Düsseldorf and we've just finished the security checkup. We are sitting in the lounge now for the next 2 hours, I guess, and we are going to have some snacks and coffee and stuff just to get the time until we can board the airplane. So see you when the plane lifts off. Bye bye. Nom 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 nom. When we finally arrived in the plane, we found our seats and made ourselves comfortable. We checked everything that we had lying there and could not wait to lift finally off. This is going to be the longest flight ever, it is going to be the longest vacation ever, and it is a trip that is going to take us furthest away from home that we have ever been so far. So for now, lean back and enjoy the flight with us. You're going to see some impressions from the liftoff and the final landing at JFK New York. Hi everyone, we have finally arrived in New York City. Just as a small recap from the day, the flight itself was just brilliant. It was just an amazing experience. We had a handful of minutes with a bit of a bumpy ride, but except of this, the food was great, the flight attendants were great, so big shout out to Eurowings. When we arrived close to New York, it was pretty amazing to see how well organized and structured the cities are looking from above. But after we have landed, picked up our luggage, we grabbed the airport shuttle, and then things changed a bit. It was an adventurous 1 hour ride, I would say. We are really glad we survived it. And although all the streets looked cool from above, it totally changed when we were on the streets or in the streets. Crazy. So really, really crazy. We never remotely experienced something like that. So we have never ever experienced so many cars in a street that is not meant for so many cars, and everyone's really driving like crazy. We really cannot imagine how this city actually works. So this is insane. And finally we have arrived at the courtyard. We made ourselves ready for the bed, as you can see, and we are really tired right now because we are awake for ages now. So in German time it is something around 4 o'clock in the morning, 5, I really don't know. 5. And here it's almost 11:30, I think. So it's time to go to sleep. Yeah, we're going to hit a pillow now and see you back tomorrow with the next vlogs. So from the heart of the city that never sleeps, we say good night. Bye guys. Bye. Thanks to jet lag and overall excitement, our first night was pretty short. I think we woke up about 4 a.m. in the morning, local time, and just spent the time in bed talking about the coming days. When daylight had arrived, we decided to head out into the city and explore as much as we can. To get one of the best overviews, we decided to go to the Empire State Building and went to the rooftop platform to get a good overview over Manhattan. As the weather was great, sun was shining, and there was only a little dust over New York, we had a quite good sight. Of course, most of the major sites to be seen had to be ticked off quite the first day. So we visited the Times Square and a couple of other locations, but we have not filmed everything yet. So as we are planning to stay a couple more nights in New York after our Boston visit, we are going to put these into the coming video. If you like the video and are eager to see our coming trips, please make sure to subscribe. Also, if you are into arts, of course, you can have a look at all my other videos and leave me a thumbs up, or leave us a thumbs up in this case, if you like this video. So we would love to see you in the coming videos as well. Have a great day. Bye bye.